Listen, Young Double A in the building, man. I'm in Colorado in the studio doing what I do when I do it. But listen, I have to tell y'all, Mile High Minute, #1 in the world.
I get a bag and blow a bag and pass the bag away. When I call, tell her to come and fuck that nigga, she on her way. Pick the location, change the destination, got it.
What kind of upcoming projects or singles, videos do you got on the way?
So, I got my first official single with the label. I just signed to Icons and Giants. And the single is called All I Need. It's really like the beginning of my career till now. Yeah. Because it has the gospel feel, but I also got that trap element in it.
Okay.
And it got, you know, today's production and all of that. When y'all will see what I'm talking about once y'all hear it.
Okay.
So,
you got any major features on the way as well? Or you just focus
man,
on
yeah, I got features and I got, you know, solo stuff, but if I told y'all what it is right now, you know what I'm saying, the element of surprise will go away.
Right.
So that's it.
I'm glad you said that.
For
I
sure.
feel like a lot of people, especially out in Colorado, can learn that.
Yeah.
Any tapes or projects?
Man, right now I'm just focused on putting out good music. Okay. One record at a time. One record at a time. If anybody saw my page on Spotify or Apple, y'all will see that I had projects out before.
Okay.
But I'm just doing it the right way this time. That's all.
Okay, cool. What brought y'all out to Colorado?
Man, we working, man. I brought the team out here to do a couple interviews, lock in with the DJs. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just got to touch the places that you never thought that you would be able to touch before. Right. So that's why I'm out here.
Do some networking.
That's it.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all for, you know, tapping into Colorado, man. We got a bubbling scene, a lot of upcoming artists, you know, who could really learn from people like you.
Thanks.
So, you know.
And I appreciate y'all for having me, man. Shout out to Mile High Minute, man. Y'all know what it is.
Yeah, man, I appreciate the love. The Florida chain, I'm assuming just because you're from Florida? Or?
Man, I'm a Florida boy, man. Stop playing, man. And guess what? No, I ain't even going to tell y'all about the diamonds. Top secret.
Oh, yeah, man. Okay. Where can the people find you on social media? Instagram?
Man, follow me right now. Right now. On Instagram at DUBBAAA. That's how you spell it. DUBBA-AA. But on Instagram, it's DUBBAAA. Double A. Not Duba. Not Dubai. Not none of that. Double A. Same thing on Instagram, Twitter, all that.
Okay, perfect. And you're on YouTube, Apple?
Yeah, man, I'm on Apple Music. I'm on Spotify. I'm on Black People Meet. You know what I'm saying? I'm everywhere, man. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing. No, I'm playing. But, yeah, I'm everywhere. Everywhere music is sold, that's where I'm at. Find me there. And follow and like and subscribe on my YouTube at The Double A. Spell it the same way.
Yeah, man. All links will be in the description. Make sure y'all go follow Double A on Instagram, YouTube, all that. Man, just check the resume. You know what I'm saying?
Unmatched. Stop playing.
Yeah.
Stop
Very
playing.
Very deep, you know, platinum records. You know, mainstream hits, #1s, all that. So I mean, definitely.
Double A #1 on the way.
Yeah.
Double A platinum plaque on the way. For real, for sure. So, don't believe me, just watch.
Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment down below who you want to see next on the Mile High Minute. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button to stay notified when all the latest news drop. You got any final thoughts, any shout outs, last minute things?
Man, shout out to God for the opportunity, for everything. That's it.
Okay, man. Appreciate you, man. Mile High Minute, #1 podcast, universe. We out.